Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add/remove a field on a related list. So let's go ahead and hop into opportunities real quick. And as you can see, we are now on a list view. So let's go ahead and change this to, let's do all opportunities. Okay, let's go ahead from here. We're going to go and select, we went to this little gear icon over here, and then we are going to hit select fields to display. And then we can choose to remove any fields that we want. So let's say we don't necessarily need to see the account name here, but we would like to know what fiscal quarter it is in. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, and let's move that up a little bit. So then we have the close date next to the fiscal quarter. All right, I'm going to hit save. And here we go. We have this already set. So you can see that the account is gone, but now we've got the amount, close date, and then what fiscal quarter this is going to be in for our current org. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out the courses down below or on salesforceupskill.com. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.